Hey there, I'm going to show you how to make breakout rooms in Zoom and how to set those up ahead of time. So, one of the first things you want to do is you want to go to Zoom and go to the web version. So, you would click there. This would then take you to your Zoom account once you have logged in. Once you have done that, what you need to do is go into settings and then go in meeting and then go to make sure that you go to in meeting advanced. And then what you need to do is breakout rooms. Go ahead and check this and allow the host to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. And then allow the host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling, because we are going to schedule this ahead of time and have the groups ready to go. So the next thing that we want to do is go up to schedule a meeting. And we'll just go ahead and give that a title. You can describe it if that's something that you want to do. Set the date and set the time, AM and PM. And then you can set the duration of the meeting ahead of time if that's what you want to do. Make sure you set that to 0 if you just want it to be like 30 minutes, something under an hour. And then just always make sure that you are checking the time zone that you are having the meeting in. And then you can have a security code that's also on the meeting as well. And so you would just want to make sure that you are checking off everything ahead of time that you'd want to check. So just make sure that you're looking at these options. So since I'm showing you breakout rooms and pre-assigning, we're going to go ahead and just create the rooms. We're going to go up here to the plus, and we're just going to call this up here. We're going to edit the name, the group 1. And then this is where you are going to add the participants there. So put that in group 1. And then I hit save too soon. But then the next thing that you want to do is if you are creating multiple groups ahead of time, if you're setting it up in advance, I would assume that you probably want multiple groups. So we're just going to call, I went ahead and did it on that one. So breakout room 2, we're going to call this group 2. And then we'll do one more, and we will call this one group 3. And we're going to go back to the group 1, and we'll see if we have participants, group 2 and group 3. So group 1, we're going to go ahead and add the participants here. And then make sure that you hit enter. And then you can move them if that's something you wanted to do. Like maybe I put them in the wrong group. You do have the option to move them or remove them if that's a mistake that you made. We're going to go to group 2. Let's do this one actually. Type this morning. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter for that one as well. And then we're going to add to group 3. And so you want to make sure that you have double checked your email addresses, make sure they're correct. So let me actually double check one here. Yep. So the next thing that we're going to do is you can see the numbers next to it, that they've got 1 in each group. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. And then, like I said, make sure that you have checked all other settings. If you want to have an alternative host, someone that can help in there, you can add that. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. And then this is the invitation that you can copy and then you can paste ahead of time and put in whatever calendar system it is that you use, or you could place this in your learning management system. That's something that you can then do.